Hi, I am Alex. Welcome to Kids Mania.
Hi kids! Today we will learn the transportation vehicles and their sounds. The purpose of this video is to understand that transportation vehicles are used to move people and goods. Are you ready, guys? Now we will listen the sounds of the transportation vehicles. Let's get started. Airplane. Ambulance. Bicycle.
Boat.
School bus. Car. Helicopter. Truck. Jeep. Hot air balloon. Delivery truck. Police car. Tractor. Subway. Scooter. Train. Bulldozer. Baby carriage. Horse carriage. Submarine. I hope you guys learned the vehicles and their sounds. Now it's your turn to guess the name of the vehicle. Are you ready, guys? Let's get started. What is it? It's a truck.
Very good, kids.
What is it? It's a scooter.
Very good, kids.
What is it? It's a school bus.
Very good, kids.
What is it? It's a helicopter.
Very good, kids.
What is it? It's a bicycle.
Very good, kids.
What is it? It's an ambulance.
Very good, kids.
What is it? It's a police car.
Very good, kids.
What is it? It's a bus.
Very good, kids.
What is it? It's a train.
Very good, kids.
What is it? It's a motorcycle.
Very good, kids.
What is it? It's a van.
Very good, kids.
What is it? It's an airplane.
Very good, kids.
What is it? It's a ship.
Very good, kids.
This is a bus. This is a train. This is an ambulance. This is a bicycle. This is a taxi. This is a fire truck. This is a scooter. This is a truck. This is an airplane. This is a helicopter. This is a police car. This is a ship. I hope you guys enjoy the game and learn the transportation vehicles. Don't forget to subscribe to Zmania 2030. Thanks for watching.